Go, Archer.
I suggest you drop your weapon before someone gets hurt.
What's this about? You're supposed to be dead.
Did you see a body? You possess something of great value.
You bastard. What do you want?
I want the tech. The engine that drives you. Can be duplicated and sold to the highest bidder. You can't imagine the impact global war will have on the demand for such a weapon of mass destruction.
The war's over.
I suppose it is. But you're going to help me start the next one. In time, you won't remember a thing. Including this.
I just wish we could one time. Please, just say it. Say my name.
Then, Takamura Bishop.
I love you. I don't want this moment to end. Say my name.
Then, Takamura Bishop.